Did you say hi to Cider? Come on, let's go get breakfast. Come on, pretty girl. Well, good morning from Steadfast. We do not have any electricity, so I'm not able to put any videos up, but animals are snug and warm, and we have water. I actually did a bunch of water in the barn in a huge water trough so that we could get water from there for all the animals. So I hope you guys are staying warm and dry. Looks like the East Coast got slammed, and we're expecting 3 to 5 more inches tomorrow night into Friday. So hopefully we get power on. Our generator is broken. All right, goats, I'm coming with hay. Be blessed, guys. Bye.